Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a prehistoric mammal. They went extinct around 4,000 years ago, likely due to climate change and human hunting. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as mammoths, mammoths, mammoths. Mammoths had thick layers of fat and fur to survive freezing temperatures, and their large tusks were used for digging under snow to find food. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about mammoths, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.